Let's approach this from a place most people don't articulate: control over your environment. Not just performance, control. The moment your desk stops feeling crowded, your setup stops feeling noisy, and your computer stops dictating how you work or play. That's where the Reatan Mini PC makes sense. Before anything else, take a second to check the current price and availability. Compact systems with this much capability don't stay quietly available once people catch on. This is for the person who wants power without presence. You don't want a tower looming beside you or a laptop constantly reminding you of its limits. You want something that stays out of sight but never out of depth. You've reached the stage where efficiency matters more than spectacle. There was a subtle realization that brought you here. Maybe your desk felt cluttered no matter how you arranged it. Maybe your old system was powerful, but loud, bulky, or inconvenient. Or maybe you noticed how often you hesitated before launching something demanding, just to avoid dealing with heat, noise, or slowdown. That's when you knew you wanted less hardware drama, not less performance. Using this feels surprisingly empowering. You power it on and everything responds immediately. Apps open without delay. Games feel composed instead of squeezed. Multitasking feels natural because nothing fights for priority. The system doesn't ask for attention, it quietly handles what you throw at it. Gaming feels balanced and deliberate. Motion stays clean. Heavy scenes don't fall apart. You're not chasing extreme settings, you're enjoying stability that lasts. Long sessions feel consistent because performance doesn't drift or degrade over time. What really stands out is how intentional it feels. The machine delivers exactly what's needed, exactly when it's needed, without excess. Once you experience that kind of discipline in such a small footprint, both bulky desktops and underpowered minis start feeling inefficient in different ways. Pause here and check availability again. Mini PCs that actually deliver on performance tend to move quickly once people realize they don't need towers anymore. You might assume compact means compromise. That assumption fades the moment you stop hitting friction. This isn't downsizing, it's refinement. Power delivered intelligently, without wasting space or energy. Here's the unexpected benefit: your setup feels calmer. Fewer cables. Less noise. More focus. When the machine stops demanding space and attention, your sessions feel cleaner and more controlled. Owning it feels purposeful. Like choosing a system designed for people who value smart design over brute excess. Every time you look at larger or weaker alternatives afterward, they feel like solutions to problems you no longer have. Performance feels immediate and composed. Gaming feels smooth and reliable. Multitasking feels effortless. Desk space feels open and intentional. Sessions feel focused and uninterrupted. It isn't built for endless internal expansion, and it won't disappear acoustically under full load. That's the trade. At some point, comparison stops being helpful. You realize you weren't looking for the biggest machine, you were looking for the right one. Check the price, trust your instinct for efficiency and control, and don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay even though it already fits how you want your setup to feel.